are some tips for you while you are learning to code. Number one, try to code every day. Try to do like a 30-day coding challenge, 50-day coding challenge, or they even have a 100-day coding challenge. Do a little bit of code every day. That doesn't mean 8 hours. Maybe just do 2. Number 2 is a big one. Do not catch yourself comparing yourself with others. It will drive you insane. I'm talking loco. Don't do it. Don't do it. Focus on you. Be better than you were yesterday. Leave everybody else out of it. Number 3, embrace the learning process. You are never, ever not going to be learning. You're going to be learning forever as a coder. Every day you work, you're going to learn something new. You're going to have to Google stuff. That never changes. Embrace the learning process. Number 4, remind yourself why you started. Now, personally, why I started was I didn't want to go into college debt, and I wanted to start a business. And I wasn't planning initially on being a software engineer, but business failed, software engineer. Now I'm working on some other stuff and Amazon. So it's kind of, remember why you started. The reason I started is because I want to build cool things. I want to have that potential. And I remember that to this day. I still work on cool side projects. So remember why you started. Is it the money? Is it because you love the code itself? Is it because you love what the code can do? Why did you start? And number 5, remember that you are still early into the process. You know, even 2, 3, 4, 5 years in, like, I still consider myself early into the process. Now, if you look at that relatively, I guess you can say, you know, senior devs know a little bit more than non-senior devs, but there's still so much to learn. No matter what level you're at, you're always going to be learning. So just always consider it as day one that you're still early in the process and that you're still learning. So those are my 5 tips for you while you are learning to code.